So, you think your FL Studio workspace is looking a little dull? Feeling like it needs a fresh new vibe? Well, what if I told you that you could change the entire theme of the app? Yep, you heard that right. Let me show you how to change the theme in FL Studio. It's super easy. First, open Theme Settings. Open FL Studio and navigate to the top left corner of your screen. Hover over Options and boom, you'll see a bunch of settings pop up. Now, click on Theme Settings and welcome to the world of customization. Step 2. Choose your theme. Here, you'll find a variety of awesome themes to choose from. Let's go with the purple theme to see how it looks. And bam! A fresh, colorful new look. Completely different from the boring default. But wait, there's more. There are tons of themes to explore, and my personal favorite, Switchers. It just has the perfect vibe. Customize your colors. Feeling extra creative? You can adjust the hue, brightness, and even mix colors to create your own perfect FL Studio look. You even get options like light mode and mode. And that's it. Just like that, you've given your FL Studio a brand new look. Hope this video helped. If it did, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome tutorials. See you in the next one.